You'll have love at first sight with the 2023 Ford F-150. Here's a hard-working Ford F-150, the light-duty, full-size pickup that leverages high-strength steel and military-grade aluminum alloy to bring you class-leading payload and towing capabilities. Easier than ever to use, this truck is designed to maximize productivity on the road, trail, or job site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, 360-degree view car camera, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, backup camera, adaptive cruise control. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.